Hello again and welcome back. Today I'm gonna be burning in this B77 that I just complete a full restoration on it. In my last video I told you that I put a custom ROM in it. The ROM went out on the tape control PC board, and a brand new ROM is in it. I bought it from Europe. I think Switzerland it came from. Anyway, I just finished the calibration and testing on the bench. So now I'm going to put it in the system to see how it performs. So I just want to show you what I'm about to do. So this is the deck here. I have it hooked up already. So this is a B77 two-speed deck. It operates on 7.5 IPS and 3 3/4. Just want to give you a full look at it. So I'm going to drop a tape on it now and power it up. I will be using a tape with music from YouTube library. I don't want to get dinged for anything. I will let the system warm up a little bit. The tape was stored tails out, so I have to rewind this thing. I think that's enough. recording also works, but I don't want to record on that tape because that's my test tape. All right, there you go. That's the end of the tape. So I'm pleased to say that this B77 is popping. So now I'm going to just put the back on it. I mean the back cover on. I'll show you that. This is the back cover. And this is how I got the deck. I didn't make these panels. If I was making them, I would put a handle on it, like I did on my PR99 over here. See, it has a handle. Yeah, but this doesn't have no handle. But it's all good. All right, thank you for stopping by. This is my final video on this B77, and it's working properly. I just calibrated it today, but calibration is always take me a long time. I did a video a while back on a calibration, so I didn't want to bother do another video on it, but I did a detailed video. It's on my channel. You can look it up on the channel. I think that was a PR99 probably. I don't remember which it was, either B77 or PR99, and it was a long video, so I didn't want to repeat that again. But here it is, B77, all done.